It is a paradox rooted in a dream that many of us share, of immersing ourselves so deeply, so inextricably into the pocket of a landscape or a stretch of river. Anything that seems to embody the wilderness that we have lost, that we may somehow take possession of those places and make them ours. Yet the truth, like an eddy, runs in the opposite direction. In the end, it is they that claim us, and we who belong to them. Kevin Fedarko.
Maybe your first trip you think, oh, it's a chance of a lifetime, I may never get to do this again. But I think once you get down here, you have to come back.
I've been down 5 times in the last 6 years, and it doesn't feel like anywhere near enough. Yeah, it's the same canyon, but each trip is very different.
I was lucky enough in March of 2016 to get invited on my first Grand Canyon trip with Gary. And it was probably the most important experience of my life, life-changing.
I love just the amount of hidden places that are here. The views from the rim are just stunning, but my favorite thing is getting down into the canyon and exploring some of the side canyons that you can't even see from the river, and finding hidden waterfalls and finding springs and seeing all the life that's down here. You couldn't imagine, just looking from the rim, you could never imagine all of the beauty that's down here.
Starting to unwind and feel a little bit more comfortable here and accept myself and river time a little bit more and quit looking at the watch.
You think about your friends and family and you hope everybody's okay back home, and you can't wait to see them and talk to them, tell them about this place. But having no idea what day it is the strangest feeling I've ever had in my life. Like, I've never had that feeling. I don't know what day it is. I think today is Saturday, but it doesn't matter.
Being on the river in the canyon, and you get used to that lifestyle, you just accept that this is what life is now. And then you get off of it and you're back in the front country, and things sort of lose their shine for a little bit.
In a heartbeat, I would do it again because of the adventure it is, the fun, the enjoyment of going through the rapids, the fear of, flipping in a rapid, and then when you're done, you can scream and yell with joy. We did it. We made it.
You've noticed a lot of people are already talking about changes they're going to make to their boat for next time and making gear lists for their next trip. And I don't think for most of us we come here thinking it'll be a one-time thing.
I just feel very much in place here. It feels right.
After a while, it becomes life. Your life is running some of the most intense whitewater that exists in North America, and it becomes venturing off into these side canyons that each of them is a new world that is so different from the place before it, and is so non-touched by the people before you. Like, it's incredible. And yeah, there's no place like it, and there's no way I can explain it. I don't have the words.
I didn't know that you could be in love with a place. I didn't know that was possible. I fell in love with the water. I fell in love with the side canyons. The realization that you could explore this place a lifetime and never really, like, uncover just how much beauty and wonder there is here.
Something in the canyon like tugs at your heart, makes you want to be here. It's just like a magical experience. I don't really think that you can describe it to people. I think it's something that they have to experience on their own. It's just magical.
Don't stare, you're making me scared. I don't think that I could stay the night in this awful fright. The moonlight's foreboding, they start speaking code. Let out a note, brilliant sigh, just to say that they died. All signs point to avoiding your eyes. I'm sorry, hun, but you're not the one. The hot wind portends a particularly violent ending. I'm sorry, hun, but you're not the one. Fog's rolling in, I feel its wings on my skin. Air danced when you spoke, then closed in round my throat. All signs point to avoiding your eyes. I'm sorry, hun,